I'm not saying the Polish people are not friendly. It's just like not all of them. I don't see, they don't smile that much, you know what I mean?
The things of land, yeah, the things of land in the past 24 hours, yeah, and the cedar of Poland in the past 24 hours. They'll stay with me, they'll stay with me for the rest of my life. So I'm gonna tell ya, let's go. What do you want? What do you want from me? What do you want?
So just behind me there, so this is the Polish Castle, so in Warsaw. So I'm still in Warsaw, right? So since I've been here in Poland, within the past, I think within 12 hours, I've learned so many things, and I want to share this with you, and hopefully these things will help you out. So when you visit like Poland, so one thing I've noticed, yeah, I've learned in Poland. There's not many black people here. I mean, really, there's not many black people. I haven't seen that many black people at all since I've been here. I walk around, I've been to a different part of Warsaw, and I tell you what, yeah, it's quite hard. I feel like I stand out so much. But the good thing is, okay, actually, I'm gonna have to cross and then cross the street. I'll do that now. I can make it. I can make it. I can make it. Hello, mate. Just imagine that. Hello, mate. Hello there. So just like, it's a black guy in there, so it's mad. So that's why he's just honking to me. So basically, I'm at this junction, so I'm gonna cross the street now. All right, so let's cross the street. So it's just gonna be a walking, talking thing, yes? So I've been in this place for the past 24 hours, and this is absolutely sick as well. Okay, let me hurry up. So it's a busy junction. Right, so what am I doing? Oh, look at that. Guys, absolutely gorgeous there. The sunset, you can see that. Wow, 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 take a look at that. That is such a beauty. Such a beauty. Wait, I feel like my camera, my lens is dirty. Should I wipe it? I'll just leave it. Anyways, pretty much, like here, the people are not, maybe they might stare at you when you're not looking, but like all the people I've seen so far, they're not directly staring at you, which is a beauty, right? And I like that. It makes the traveling experience more ease, and I feel like there's no one watching me 24/7, you know what I mean? So, which is a good thing. I'm at the main junction here, and the reason why I'm standing here is because I wanted to see that backdrop throughout this video. And other thing I've learned since I've been here in Poland,
who knows what you think about me? And I know I shouldn't care.
like coming from the airport, right, to come downtown, I'll tell you what, it can be very tricky, especially if you don't speak the language, right? If you don't read Polish as well, because most of the signs are not in English. Can you see the sign? Yeah, that is in Polish. You see there. So this one, or at least they show you, they translate that to English, you know. So the thing is that when you come to Poland, yeah, most of the places you go to, there's so many things happening at this junction. Oh, this spot is so sick. Look at that. I can't get enough of this as well. So most of the tourist attraction, they do translate it to English, right? But if you're coming from the airport, because the airport is a bit far away from, you know what I mean, from the main city centre, so most of the signs are pretty much in Polish. And I was so baffled when I get to the bloody station to catch the train to downtown. I was literally so baffled. I was like, what is going on here? I don't read no Polish, and I don't speak no Polish as well, so it was, yeah, it was a bit difficult, you know what I mean? But I made it here. So most of the signs you will see, even go to the toilet as well, like when you come here in in Warsaw, Poland. No, I don't have corona. If that's what you're thinking, no, I don't have corona at all. So basically, that is the thing I've learned here. Those are very important things. So I do have a lot of things to share as well.
In and out of love, never get enough. We never seem to get older.
And asking people as well, that's another thing I've learned here. Not everyone speaks good English, right? I think the only place you will find people that speak a proper decent English, I would say if you go to the most touristy area, then I'm pretty sure like you can find like people like waiters or like people working in the hospitality and industry. They speak great English, you know. Okay, maybe not great English, but they speak conversational English, you know. So yeah, I think that can be a little bit a nightmare as well. So if you get lost, you don't know how to read the sign, and then you're trying to get a direction, so definitely not all of them speak English, right? So it's going to be maybe a daunting experience, but if you're lucky, you might stumble into one or two people who speak decent English, you know what I mean? So
we should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words you be, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires.
The thing is, like, what I've observed since I've been here, not one day, I've been here, this is my second day now. Yeah, so I would say for the past 12 hours, I don't see a lot of Polish people smile. Maybe it might be because I'm a black guy, so they probably never interact with a black person before. Maybe they're just surprised. Maybe they don't want to show it out there. Like I said, they're not entirely staring at you, but you know what I mean? Like if you're lost, you want to ask the Polish people, and then yeah man, some of them they got that sour face, but when you smile to them, I think that changed the mood, you know what I mean? So it's all about positive vibe and positive body language. It's not just like talking verbally, but it's also your body language. If it's right, and I'm pretty sure you can attract the right energy around you. So I'm not saying the Polish people are not friendly. It's just like not all of them. They don't smile that much, you know what I mean? It just absolutely reminds me of London people, you know what I mean? Because Londoners, they don't like to smile at all. Londoners are so sour because it's a fast space. I don't blame the Polish people here in Warsaw. The facial expression is not quite there. But some of the people I've smiled to, I've asked for directions. Some when I smiled to them, and of course they never ask me where I'm from, and that's a good thing. I don't like people asking me all the time, where are you from, where are you from? So it can be a little bit annoying, you know? So I respect that the Polish people, not a single person have asked me since I've been here where I'm from, and that's a vital thing I've learned here, and it's a good thing, right? And also the other thing I've learned here, like in Poland, especially in Poland, I'm quite surprised how modern this place is. So modern, it's so clean. Look at this place, it's absolutely amazing, man. Not a lot of people traveling at this point of time because of the coronavirus as well. Right, so here, oh my god, man, you don't want to mess with the police on the security guard, because they do carry guns, you know? It just reminds me of my time when I was in the Philippines, because in the Philippines they do carry guns as well, so it's absolutely out there. They show it, you know, so you don't want to mess with them at all. You don't want to make them get hungry, but I feel like they're very friendly lads as well, you know what I mean? So I think you can ask them a question, or you just nice, you know, ask them for a photo. I think maybe don't do that. But anyways, then basically, yeah, the police here, they carry guns. I get a little bit intimidated, you know what I mean? Especially what is going on around the world. And plus, I'm black. Yeah, so we're in winter and it's quite hot. I'm still wearing a short, right? Walking. So basically, I think this is all I got for you today. Sorry, let me get out of the way. That's the van there, the delivery van. Anyway, so yeah, I think, let me take off my glasses. Can you see my eye now? Right, I think that glasses make the entire scene slow down. So I'm wearing a short, right? So I'm walking. So basically, Poland, pleasant weather, and we're fast approaching to winter. So yeah, man, I can't complain. I think it's a decent weather, and I quite like it. I fit in quite well, you know, with the temperature, you know. But anyways, that's all I got to say, and this is some of the things I've learned since I've been here in Poland. And yeah, and also I've learned another thing is, yeah, the food is quite good. I like it. I like the Polish sausage. Oh, it's so delightful, man. Fatty like the one I've tried here in Warsaw. But I tell you what, man, it's quite delicious, man. I like it with, it comes with a cabbage if you want it with a cabbage, or if you want it with onions, which is the typical way of making a sausage. You know what I mean? So maybe not making a sausage, but accompanying with a sausage, you know. So yeah, man, no complaint. I'm quite like the vibe that Poland here. It's quite quiet, you know. It's really quiet. There's not much going on. There's not a lot of tourists, you know. And I think maybe just maybe in 25 radius, yeah, 25-mile radius, I might be the only black person, literally, not joking. And another thing I've learned here in Poland, finally, I think this, I'll say finally now, right? The girls are bloody tall, man. Polish girls are so bloody tall. I don't know, man, what they're eating. Like literally, I don't know. It makes me feel a little bit intimidated when I see them. I'm not lying. I'm not joking. They're quite majority. I'm not saying all Polish girls are tall, right? But majority, the ones I've seen, they're freaking bloody tall, man. Literally, no joke, man. They're tall. My God, it's madness. Another thing I've learned since I've been here as well, the malls in Poland are ridiculous. Look at this. And also the KFC, I think I might head to the KFC. They look very nice in the packaging, and then the price as well is so much better compared to what you can get in the UK. It's not like the UK KFC, McDonald's and stuff like that. It's not nice, or the malls is dead. It's just like, yeah, in Poland, just take a look at this. This is such a masterpiece. What is this? This is absolutely pure ingenuity, man. The people down there, they're chilling. And the time right now is getting to 7, and the mall is still open. So, and that's another thing I learned. So in the UK, 6 o'clock, most of the malls are shut. So I'm gonna pop in and see what the price like in McDonald's. So this are the things I've learned so far being here in Poland. So thank you so much, and I'll catch you in the next video. And yeah, I've still got a day or two to explore here in Poland, so I can't wait.
I know.